Every night you close your eyes, and for hours your body becomes almost motionless. Yet during this time, your brain lights up with secret activity. Your organs shift into repair mode, and an entire hidden world inside you awakens. So, what exactly is happening while you sleep? Sleep isn't just a pause button on life. It's a complex biological performance where every system in your body plays a role. Scientists describe it as a cycle with two main acts: non-REM, sleep, and REM, sleep. And together, these stages tell the story of how your body and mind recover each night. In the first minutes of sleep, your heartbeat slows, your breathing becomes gentle, and your muscles start to relax. This is called stage N1, like the soft landing strip before deeper rest. Slip a little further into stage N2, and your brain begins shutting out the outside world. At this point, your temperature drops, and your body starts conserving energy for what's about to come. Stage N3, also called slow-wave sleep, is where the real physical restoration begins. Here, your body acts like a repair shop. Cells rebuild, tissues heal, and growth hormones surge through your bloodstream. It's why athletes, children, and anyone recovering from exhaustion rely so heavily on deep sleep. It's not just rest, it's repair. About 90 minutes into the night, your brain suddenly sparks with activity almost as intense as when you're awake. This is when dreams unfold, vivid, emotional, and sometimes bizarre. At the same time, your muscles go nearly paralyzed, preventing you from acting out those dreams. But beneath the dreamscape lies something even more important. Your brain is processing memories, reorganizing thoughts, and making sense of the day. These stages repeat in cycles, 4 to 6 times a night. With each cycle, REM periods grow longer, giving your brain more time to store knowledge, regulate emotions, and even clear away waste products that, if left behind, could damage brain health. Without this nightly reset, your body weakens, your mind struggles, and even your lifespan can shorten.